I tried calling Jehovah, be like man no get service. Devil day on my shoulder.
Hello guys, welcome back to Vodafone Young Coders episode. This is the third episode. On this episode, we're going to get to know the basics of HTML tags. You know, there are a lot of HTML tags, but today we are going to get to know the basics of the HTML, some few basics of HTML tags. Now, the last episode, we got to know that this was how our skeleton was. That was our web page skeleton. Now, when we opened the other day, you get to know that it was empty. That means nothing was inside. Now, or today, we are going to make sure you get some basic HTML tags inside. So first, that I'll be opening my test. I'll be using my old test editor, that's Sublime, but I'll urge you beginners or all beginners to use Notepad so that they get they'll be getting a lot of codes in mind. Before you become professional, you get to know that wow, and now I'm having a lot of codes. So without wasting much time, we just stream to our test editor. Now this was how it was. Now we're going to change almost everything, so you need to clean all this. Now you type in sorry, and the next step will be HTML table in head. Sorry, it doesn't head. I just confuse myself with this. Sorry, and open body. Use body. Then we will close our HTML. That's all. Now this was how the video was. Now let's save it. Now if you refresh our page, nothing should change, because yeah, nothing should change. Now today we are going to add a title to our web page. You can see that they've written webpage.html. That is the name we used to save, that's why it appears. But when you give it a title, you get to see our title, our web page title here. Now let's go on and type inside you are going to type the title inside the head so that it can display here, or else to display any other place. Well, type title, close title. Now I'll name my title Vodafone. That's how I name my title. Now we save it, and now refresh our page. Now we get to know that now the title that was webpage.html just suddenly changed to Vodafone. That's quite awesome. Now let's get straight to the body section. Now the body section, we are going to get to know some little bit basics of HTML tags. That's the heading. We have head 1, head 2, head 3, head 4 to head 6. The more the number increases, the more the sizes of the text decreases. For instance, if I open a head 1 tag, this is how to open head 1 tags, and also this is how to close a head 1 tag. You get to see this how to close the head 1 tag. Okay, I'll type my page. Now we save it and refresh our page. Yeah, you get to know my page just suddenly appeared inside the web page. You see, that's the head 1's size. Now let's check head 2, how it also look like. Let's close head 2. Now let's type my page. Now let's save it. Let's check our yeah. If you refresh it, you get to know that my page the head 2 tag is decreasing the size of the head 1 tag. Now let's try all to head 6. Now if you finish, then you save it. Now let's refresh our web page and check what's happening. Now you get to know that uh the size of the text is decreasing, because that's how the head functions. The more the text, the more the numbers increase, that's head 1, head 2 increases, then you get to know the more the text also decreases. So for instance, on my website, I want to make the first text to be very big, so I'll just key in head 1 and I'll maybe type Vodafone. You get me right? That's how it will look like. Now, not wasting my time, we also rush down to how to give breaks in our text or anything else. Now, for instance, I'll be typing, I'll be using head 4. I'll be using head 4 here. Sorry. And also I'll close head 4. So I'll be typing my name. Yeah, this is a simple text that I just type. Now we save it and also refresh our page and check what's going on. Now you get to see that it's quite way long. You see it's long, so I want to break it down and make it very nice. Oh, spelling mistake here, so let me check that one. Save that one also. But guys, the shortcut for saving is Control plus X, so there's no need going whole around click file and also come save. That's waste of time. So just use Control plus X and that's also refresh the page. Like I said, now okay, the spelling is okay. Now I want to break it. So if I want to break it, for instance, I want to break it from here, so I'll just bring in my less than tag and I'll type BR, and then in this form you can also, okay, let's save let's save it and see. Let's refresh our page. I get to know it has break. You see it has break. The I want to help or whatever, because it has break from my name is Tijanimo. Hope you get me right. Now this is HTML5 type. Now you can also make it in this way. It also functions the same thing. Okay, let's save it and let's refresh. See, nothing changes. Okay, you can also leave it like that. Now I would like to also break it from Ghana. Okay, let's give a break there, and then let's refresh page. Wow, you get to know that it also breaks. Now without wasting much time, we just rush dash to the next tag. This might be our last tag for today. Now our next tag will be paragraph. Now you get to know that when I'm typing a letter or when I'm writing a letter to someone, even anyone, you need to give a paragraph. For the first sentence and the next sentence, maybe the first sentence contain different information and the next one also contain different information. You cannot just add them together like that. You need to get what you need to give a space in a paragraph. You get me right? So that's what you're going to do now. So when you want before you can do that, you need to open a paragraph tag. So the less than sign and then close it and also close it. Now here we can type anything. For instance, this word last Lauren, it is embedded inside this text editor. So I can just type Lauren and just click on tab and to give me a whole bunch of information that I don't even know. I don't know whether it is French or what kind of language it is. But when you are using Notepad, you need to type a bit information, about 3 to 4 lines to get, so without wasting my time, you get to know that that's all my text. Now I'll save it. I'll control plus X. Now let's come here, because we brought a paragraph here. You will get to know that it space itself, total space itself from this text, this text. Now let's refresh our page and check what's going on. Wow, you get to know that everything changed. You see that there is now a space between the head 4 tag and the paragraph tag. This is what we call paragraph. You get me right? So you need to make spaces inside your web so that it will seem clear and also be readable. Now I want to give a space between this word and this and enough. Now you get to know that one starts from here. Give a break tag and then okay, now let's save it. Now let's refresh our page. Wow, you get to know that it has been break. At first it was here and then it has been break down to here. So that's the function of a break, a paragraph, and heading. So guys, that is it for this video. The next video you'll be doing much more and more, so you need to stay tuned. That's for this video. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please, or before you leave, you need to subscribe and also like. For any question, you can put in the comments area and then I'll get to see it and answer you. For any you can also suggest. I'm also there. I'll also get to know your suggestion and move on. Thank you very much.